How are you?
Fine, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Shall we begin the interview?
Sure, sir.
Okay, my name is Ashwini and I'll be taking IELTS interview. So I'll begin with introductory part. Firstly, tell me your full name
My name is Lovedeep Singh.
and how may I call you?
You may address me as Lovedeep.
Lovedeep, can I see your ID?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Lovedeep, thank you. Lovedeep, are you a student or you work?
Sir, I passed my graduation from Kurukshetra University in 2018, and now I'm working on my English communication skills.
Now I'll ask you some questions about maps. Have you ever used maps for any purpose?
Yes, sir. I oftenly use maps. Whenever I travel, I use Google Map.
Did you enjoy studying maps in school?
Yes, of course. In school, I used to enjoy maps. When I stuck somewhere, I use that map to find the proper location.
Where do people use maps nowadays?
Due to advancement in technology now, all the people have maps in their cell phone. They are using Google Maps to commute from one place to another by using these maps. They can easily find the address or a location, which is very convenient for them.
Is there any change in the way maps are used since your childhood?
Yes, in the past people have paper maps, but now, as I said, due to advancement of technology, they have option of online internet facility of maps.
Do you find maps useful while traveling?
Yes, of course, they are very essential part of traveling. When we don't know the exact route of our destination, then we use map to reach at our destination.
Okay, now I'll ask you some questions about history. Do you enjoy studying history?
Yes, in my school, I love to read history, and I had a keen interest in history subject.
Have you ever learnt any precious lesson from history?
Yes, as history tells us about the experience of past, so we can learn a lot things from our past, and we implement that things in our future to improve our efficiency.
Which historical personality do you really admire?
I admire Sardar Bhagat Singh the most because he was our martyr of freedom, who helped us to get freedom from British Empire. So I admire Sardar Bhagat Singh the most.
Do you feel good about the history of your country?
Yes, I feel very proud whenever I read or listen about the history of our country. Our ancestors and our people of the country sacrifice a lot for our country, and with their sacrification, now we enjoy our freedom.
Which one fact of history do you dislike?
Well, if we talk about a fact which I don't like, that was when British people ruled on our country, and they did many harmless activities to the people of our country. So these are the things that I don't much like about our history.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2, which is a cue card. You can make notes for 1 minute, then you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Talk about a speech that somebody delivered and you heard. A speech that you heard, somebody delivered. Who gave it, what it was about, and how this influenced you.
अक्सर आइल्स के स्टूडेंट को सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है राइटिंग मॉड्यूल में, और मेरा एक सीधा सा समाधान उनको ये होता है कि वो एक्सपर्ट्स की राइटिंग को पढ़ें, समझें, उसके अंदर से CVG गेन करें, कंटेंट वोकैब ग्रामर गेन करें, जिससे धीरे धीरे करके उनका बैंड स्कोर भी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा। हमारी खुद की लिखी हुई किताबें हैं। ये हमारी लिखी हुई टास्क 2 की किताब है, आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग एसेज। इसमें तकरीबन 100 ऐसे हमने खुद लिखे हैं और पूरी वोकैबुलरी भी उसमें मेंशन है, मीनिंग्स के साथ मेंशन है। और साथ में हमारी जो टास्क 1 है, आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग रिपोर्ट, इसमें 80+ हमारी रिपोर्ट्स हैं, लाइन ग्राफ, बार ग्राफ, पाई चार्ट, टेबल्स, मैप और फ्लो चार्ट। अगर आप इन बुक्स को एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक से आप हमारी मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन पे आएँ और वहाँ से आपको ये दोनों किताबें मिल जाएंगी।
Okay, Lapti, speak up.
Yes, sir. Here I would like to talk about a speech that I recently heard. It was delivered by our Haryana's farmer leader, Mr. Gurnam Singh Chanduni, who gave a speech to introduce about the things which are currently happening about farmer protest. As we all know that government implement 3 black laws for farmer without any notice. So he gave speech on them and encouraged the farmers to speak about the things that which are not good for the future of farmer. So he influenced me a lot by the way he elaborate the things in front of people. He know all the things about the laws, and he tell each and every point very clearly, so that we can easily understand what's wrong in these laws. So when he delivered speech, he was full of enthusiasm, and I can saw emotions on his face about the farmer, about the farmers, and I enjoyed the speech a lot, and it inspired me to do some to aware other people about these laws, and become a unity.
Let's move on to part 3, which is follow-up section.
Yes, sir.
What are the qualities of a good orator or speaker?
Well, in my opinion, I think a good speaker is one who can easily elaborate his views in front of audience, and who has the advantage to grab the attention of the audience.
Do you think that public speaking is a difficult task?
I think it's a difficult task because it needs more courage to speak in front of people. So if a person want to speak in front of public, he should have the skills to communicate with them easily.
Why do most people find it hard to express their views effectively?
In my opinion, I think the main thing is confidence. If a person have a good confidence, and one can easily communicate with other person.
What factors influence one speaking skill?
There are many factors, but if we talk about a particular factor, then I think language is the most important factor. If we don't know the language of a particular region, so we can't communicate with the people of that region.
How does training for communication help an individual?
If we take some classes for communication to improve our communication skill. It will help us in efficient way because in that classes we can do practice and we can improve our communication skills with others.
What, according to you, are the effective ways of improving interpersonal skills?
I think first thing is we should have much confidence in ourselves. We should believe in ourselves so that we can express our views to another, and we also have the patience to listen other, so that we can also also understand others' emotion.
Okay, Lavdeep, this is the end of your speaking test.
Yes.
If I talk about your strength, then you have a very good rate of speech. It's neither too fast nor too slow, so it's pretty balanced. But you need to work on your grammar because sometimes you tend to rectify your own sentences, and that's something wrong.
Yes.
While speaking in a formal way in front of interviewer. And for instance, you were supposed to say had, but you used have. So this is the time that you used wrong.
Yes.
And a new term that you used, sacrification. So there is no such term. Sacrifice in itself is a noun. You don't need to say sacrification. And you tend to repeat certain like phrases or words just because you don't get the further ideas or you don't get the further grammar. So that makes your fluency low. So fluency wise you need to work. Pronunciation is okay for most of the words or most of the time you speak.
Yes.
But you need to work on your grammar. You can use better range of vocabulary, and these are the two areas. If you work on that, definitely you can get better band score than the existing one. Okay, so somewhere your speaking is at 6 band score, it may go down to 5.5, but you can improve. Okay, Lavdeep.
Okay.